Okay. First is for you to write the plain text or type the numbers the way they're supposed to do. After that, you highlight the letters or the numbers you want to turn into subscripts. You get that? So let me give you an example. X2 plus Y4 equals 28. Alright, in this sample now, in my mind, this is not the exact way I want this equation to be. I want this 2 to be turned to subscripts, likewise 4 to be turned to subscripts. What will I do now? I have to highlight the 2 first, press and hold, adjust it. Okay, you see I have highlighted the 2. Then type on the ribbon display option, position at the bottom right. That's the arrow pointing up. Okay, for me to access the commands I can use to complete this task. And note, the subscript is a command that is on the home tab of Microsoft Word. Okay, so I'll tap on the ribbon display option. So I'm already on my home tab. So I'll scroll down to more formatting. You can see that. More formatting, I'll tap on it. Then you can see the option subscript, superscript, and change case. Our intention here, what we want to complete here is subscript. So I'll tap on subscript. You can see now the 2 has been made subscript. Okay. The same thing applies here. Select for. Press and hold and select for. Tap on the ribbon display option. Okay. Then tap on more formatting. Subscript, tap on subscript. You can see the 4 has now been turned to subscript. So this is just a simple equation, alright? And it explains how you can turn letters or maybe numbers to subscript. Okay, let's just use example of a letter. Turning letters to subscript. 2x plus 4x. Okay, let's say 4y equals 35. Alright? Okay, here now in this second sample, I want to turn x and y to subscript. So we still follow the same steps. Highlight x, tap on ribbon display options, tap on more formatting, hit the subscript. The same thing, select y, tap on more ribbon display option, tap on more formatting, select subscript. So you can see now we have turned both numbers and letters to subscripts in these 2 samples. So I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your comment.